Hello, Team TFT, and welcome back to another Daily Market Outlook video. Okay, we've got the Euro USD chart here. We'll just go back and quickly have a look at the Forex factory. Yesterday we had a little bit of news, which created yesterday's volatility. Rest of the week, we've got a little bit of yellow news, but not much particularly to be worried about. Thursday, there is a little bit of red news coming up, and nothing on Friday. So overall, not a lot of news to worry about this week. But if we look at yesterday's pump, if we look at the time that actually happened, based off the news event that was at 10:30 p.m. Australian time. So again, just goes to show that remember to check your news every time before you're looking at trading. So now Euro at the moment. So been a little bit choppy the past sort of a week. We sort of bounced around up in here, not a lot of trades to sort of be taken. And now we have shifted structure bullish. Okay. So on the 4-hour, we are currently bullish. We are looking at the moment, if we start dropping down our time frames. So you can see here, Monday opened, we had the London, and then that news dropped, and we had this massive bullish impulse here yesterday. And now up here, we've started to consolidate again in about a 40 pip range there for today's Asian range so far. Now we are starting to come up to this big impulse here before the sell-off. Okay, now this is quite a large range as well. We're looking at roughly 93 pips there. So what I like to do is I like to reduce that range down by reducing it to the 50% mark. Or we can actually refine it further by dropping down through the time frames and singling out some candles or something like that as well. Now, if we have just a bit of a look here with our fib tool over the whole range, any points of interest in here, we've got the 702 and the 786 both in that range there, which is quite good. And if we also like to mark out the 9900 whole number here as an area of interest for reversal. So based on this, we are in the moment in a little bit caught up in the middle of some imbalanced price action. So I'm probably a little bit bullish again on today's price action, looking for possibly a continuation up into this area before possibly returning and turning around and going backwards. And could be a possible reversal area from this higher range up here. So basically what I would be looking for, if we start dropping down to the 15-minute now, we're going to start looking for areas of interest that we could be looking for. So this range here is quite consolidated. So I'd be looking at a consolidated Asian range here. So there's a couple of areas that we could be looking for. We could be looking for a higher break. We could be actually see a high break up straight up into that area and then ultimately turn bearish straight away today. If that's the case, it could be bullish and then flick bearish. We could actually see a retrace back down into any of these little minor pullback areas here and here before ultimately continuing upwards. And then if that does happen, we would then want to be looking for some structure shift before continuing to trade bearish. So that's sort of my two areas that I would be looking for today. We are quite consolidated down here as well. So this area down here is also of interest, this last pullback down before the impulse up. So if we do happen to see a big pullback, we could be looking for some further longs from this area down here. So there is a fair bit of space between the points of interest today on today's range. So basically, we'd like to see what actually happens when the Asian range finishes. Do we break to the upside? Do we start to break down to the low side? That will determine as to what we're going to kind of be looking for today's price action. Anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on again, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.